Check it out. Check it out. Look at that. That was broken. And I put it back together with these two tools. This one here and this one here. And I laid all my tools in the box. Yes, I did. Tell me no woman can't do what she can do. Then I put this panel right here on here and replace that. Yes, I did. And look, hook this back up. And look, voila. Voila. All I gotta do now is put the tag back on. Just put the tag back on, like so. Got my screws right here. Where my screws at? They got to be somewhere in here. See where they at? Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. This is a piece of cake right here. Look at that. Look at that. Piece of cake. Tell me you don't need a man. You don't need a man for this. Sure don't. Put it right back in. Look at that. Thank you, Holy Spirit, for sending your angels to help me do this today. It was a struggle at first. I did not know what tools to use. I did not know which part to use to take these screws loose. But I done put them all back together. Yes. All back together. Look at there. And I think I got another screw in here that I could use. Let's see. You know how my cousin, he had these too. Let's see if this might work. This might work, I don't know. Just need a regular screw. Let's see. Regular, these are washers. That looks like one right there. There you go. Look at that. That's all you need. And I'm gonna take that other screw out. Put it in. Tell me what a woman can't do. Let me take this one out and replace it with one of them other screws. It might be too little. I'm a little too rough. A little too little. Let me see. Look like we're gonna have let me see. This one might be too big. We shall see. Too big. Might be too big. Let's see. Just a little medium size one. Perfect. Just gotta get a flathead screwdriver. Boom. There we go. Charles is all ready to roll. All we gotta do is now is turn them on. See if these lights work. All I did was put it together. Look at that. Replaced it with this one. Won't he do it? Let's just screw this one over here. Alright, let's show you again. Busted headlight. Replace it. Make sure. Oh, it's in the way. Oh, this little light comes in handy. We got everything over here for a sister. Thank you, Elijah. Flashlight. 2 bits. Wow. Everything you need is in here. Let me see what she do. Wow, look at there. Okay, now, here's the test. The test is yet to come. Let's see. Turn her on. See what she do. Let's go see. there. And that's it. She look good. Hey guys, I'm going to show you the finished work. This is the finished work. I just replaced this bumper here. I sure did. And let me show you what it looked like before. This is what it looked like before. Let me get her out of here. This is her before. This is her before. Yes, I did a real install. This is her before. She was damaged. Yes, she was. She was damaged. But look at her now. Yes, I'm going to show you what I did. I took her off completely. I took her completely off and I replaced her. So I'm going to put her up. This is going to be, I'm going to put her up out the way. Up out the way. Yes, I'm going to put her up out the way. I took all the bulbs off. Yes. But this is her finished product right here. Yeah, we have some kids screaming in the background. But anyway, this is Charlie. He's been redone. He's been redone. He is the LeSabre Limited. Yes, he is. And I am so proud of him and what I've done. Now, all I have to do is figure out what she's doing shorting out. She shorts out a bit, but I gotta just figure out what she's doing and why she's shorting out. Yes. 75 range fuel, oil, coolant, battery, normal, oil light 79%, tire pressure is low, so I'm going to check those. Oil pressure is normal, coolant is normal, battery is normal, oil life is normal, tire pressure, I'm going to check it. Fuel information. We read odometer 134,772 miles. Yes. Reset her. She'll be back. Reset her. Alright, she's reset. 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 Engine. Alright. Okay. Alright, we got her all set. So let me take the brake off. And I'm going to bag her back. Put her back in the garage. So proud of her. What I've done. Going on back in. But anyway, guys, that's it with Charlie. Let me pull her up a little bit. I done got too close to it. Get her back a little bit more. Yep, there she go. Alrighty. I will talk to you later. Alright, that's Mr. Charlie. He's my new friend. So I'm going to say goodnight to Charlie. Yep. Charlie got a new bumper. I'm so proud. Alright, have a great night. Bye. Remember to like, share, subscribe to my channel. MF Hair Care Mimi Tips. Bye.